How to delete pics in Facebook Messenger group. If any day you are a messenger user and you have a messenger group in the very Facebook out there and you would like to delete your Facebook messenger group but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the messenger application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very messenger application and then tap on that. After you tap on that, the very messenger application will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to tap on the very group that you are. After you tap on the very group, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, now you have to tap on the very picture that you would like to just remove or delete from the very group. Now after you tap on the very picture, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of more there, and after you go to the option of more, you can see the option of remove. Now you have to tap on the option of remove and then go to the option of unsend. Now after you tap on the option of unsend, the very picture will be removed and deleted from the very group. So this way, you can delete the very picture from your very group on the messenger. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.